Hey guys. So, have you ever wondered what people around the world are searching for right now? Like what's actually trending? Well, there's this super useful tool called Google Trends, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, small business owner, or just someone who's curious about what's searching or trending on the internet, Google Trends gives you all the answers. You just go to trends.google.com, type in a topic or select options. You can see how popular it is, where it's trending, and even how interest has changed over time. It even lets you compare two or more search terms to see which one's getting more attention. And the best part? You can filter by country, platform, like YouTube or news, and even check out related rising topics. For example, right now, Punjab Kings vs Chennai Super Kings is absolutely blowing up. Over 2 million people searched it. Crazy, right? That's the kind of info you can use to create viral content, jump on trends before they peak, or just stay in the loop. I honestly use it all the time when I'm stuck for content ideas. So yeah, if you haven't checked it out yet, give it a try. And if you already use it, let me know in the comments what the weirdest or most surprising trend you've seen is. Don't forget to like the video if this helped, and hit subscribe for more tips like this. Catch you in the next one.